Ansell continues to ascend from our proud 124-year history to a position of strength and resiliency that is the envy of the competition. Where do we go from here? Well, up, of course. Our focus on organic growth, efficient manufacturing, innovation, smart capex, and strategic acquisition has positioned us to outperform, outgrow, and outlast our competitors. The characteristics that will lead us to new heights are our 8 dimensions of differentiation. Firstly, our success is deeply rooted in our customer intimacy and safety focus. Ansell listens intently to the voice of the customer to understand their needs. We build strong relationships with our customers through Ansell GUARDIAN, where our sales force of over 600 strong introduce solutions for improved performance and injury avoidance. We have expanded our distributor partnerships and continually exceed their expectations. And Ansell walks the talk when it comes to safety. Everything we do begins with our own safety records, running our plants at world-class levels with 40% lower injury rates compared to the average of our own customers. We don't sell gadgets or burgers or sugary water. We sell safety and productivity that people can trust implicitly. That trust is the heart of the Ansell brand and our second dimension of differentiation. Our brands lead their industries in recognition and trust. In fact, our customers have total trust in Ansell to protect them in the most challenging of circumstances, so that they can carry out their jobs efficiently and safely and return to their loved ones unharmed. That trust extends to our third point of differentiation, our broad and innovative product range, the widest in the industries we serve. We hold more patents than anyone else in the industry in the areas of mechanical, chemical, oil and gas, single-use, clean room, and surgical, to name a few. Ansell's broad geography is the fourth point of differentiation, with a powerful global footprint in mature and emerging markets. Our team of over 13,000 people working in 30 offices and plants in 55 countries with strong expertise in more than a dozen defined verticals. In an increasingly complex and demanding global environment, legislative requirements are getting tougher each year, from pre-launch product validation to yearly testing. While this is a roadblock for some competitors, Ansell is setting the standards for all others to follow, and as advisors to the EU, OSHA, and other governing agencies. Our fifth point of differentiation, regulatory and compliance, enables us to influence legislation and guide our customers through compliance. Our sixth dimension of differentiation is the intensive push we've made in material science over the past 7 years. Through our 10 R&D centers of excellence worldwide, we've developed competencies in leading-edge techniques for natural rubber latex, synthetic latex, emollients, yarns, fibers, moisture-wicking coatings, and more. Medical R&D efforts are defining new synthetic latex formulations that are setting the standard in complete allergy-free gloves and unique combinations of strength and dexterity. Our Vina plant in Vietnam, acquired in 2013, has grown to double its original size, expanding our knitting, yarn wrapping, and polyurethane coating capabilities. Wrapping and weaving our own yarns is not only a key differentiator, it also makes us more profitable. These exciting developments in material science are coupled with incredible strides made with our engineering capabilities, the seventh point of differentiation. With laser focus on plant efficiency, we've seen first pass yield improve from 70% to over 90% on most lines. Further, strip-to-pack and auto-packing processes are not only reducing cost, but also improving flow and customer satisfaction. Ansell plants now run 24/7, propelled by high-speed automation and robotics. Plans are currently being developed for our first lights-out lines, which will be nearly entirely automated. Our final dimension of differentiation is Ansell's strong balance sheet and cash conversion. We work with low gearing and benefit from strong cash conversion, often exceeding 90%, with investments returning 25% or more. This strength gives us the ability to invest and to expand for the long term. Thanks to the storied success of our sexual wellness business and the significant value created, its divestiture allows Ansell to sharpen our focus on the industrial and healthcare markets. In this past fiscal year, we created strong organic growth of 3.6%, outmaneuvering the competition and stealing share. We finished the 2017 fiscal year strong, achieving our highest second-half growth rate since F11 and continuing our strong cash generation. Ansell has grown and evolved with a pace, resiliency, and strength unequaled by our competition. This success does not mean that we want to stop growing now or in the future. Having proven our growth formulas and fine-tuned our expansion engines, becoming a focused B2B company will enable us to accelerate even further. Leveraging the opportunities of a simplified matrix and the recent organizational transformation, we will continue to outgrow, outperform, and outlast all others.